Hi everyone, I'm gonna show you how to assemble a poster stand. This is an A3 size poster stand. It's perfect for restaurant menu, welcome stand for conference, wedding and exhibition, etc. So first we have a base and a supporting frame. So I'm gonna show here. So first you attach the stand, the pole to the base. Now the next thing you need is a screw that attach the back of the frame to the base. So you have the screw on one side and then the end cap on the other side. So once you secure it, you'll be able to display your menu or welcome board like this. So it comes in an easy snap frame. With this stand, you can also adjust the height to your desired level.